to San-Ryu school, working on a grab and stab. We put the short up, please go check it out. This is the explanation of what we're doing. Always remember, safety first. Don't hurt your students, your partner. What comes up in, he's got that blade up on me. My number one concern is that blade. We've done movements similar to this. I'm in right foot forward, right hand. All I'm going to do is come down this hand and come across with this. 1, rising strike to his neck. Okay? Keep this at bay. Kick his leg. Kick him through the groin. If he comes up with a punch, strike it, elbow shot, straight into his shoulder. Smack him, break the eyes. Come around the arm. We'll do it both sides. I'm going to come around and capture this arm. Snap 1. Come around his back and walk him straight out. You'll see on the other side how his leg gets caught. From this position, I get pulled in. Relax. Move. Strike him. Kick him. If the arm comes up to hit, strike it off. Strike him. Break his eyes. Come down through with that golf swing. I'm going to step in. He's going to stay here for a second. I'm going to step into his legs. I have the elbow. I can either undergrab and break over the top. Come around underneath his back. Move up a little bit from there. His hand, my hand is on his back. Turn around please 1 second. I'm putting the hand on the small of his back. Because the minute I do this, on anybody, I don't care who you are, male or female, you do this, they're going to push forward. Comes back into his position. I have his leg trapped. I have his arm here. Probably broke at this point. Okay? Push this as he's going forward. He's going to go face down. It's a blade. He's going to get you killed. Number 1, give them what they want. Hey man, I got my money here. Take anything you want. Anything they want. The thing is, you got to get away from that blade. Simply turn. Turn, strike. The other hand comes to hit, like I said, strike it. Rising elbow, break his eyes. That golf swing that comes through, you can automatically go for a break step in. Here, his arms across my body. It's painful. When his arms across me and I'm stepping in, I'm here and here. I'm going to break his arm. Listen to the camera a little bit. Put his arm right into my center. That pops. Put my hand on his lower back. Push him through. The momentum. Bill, thank you so much. The momentum will break that arm. Thank you for all your comments. Even some of the comments that are a little off. I appreciate you watching my video. But seriously, if you have any real comments, real questions, that's what we're here for at San-Ryu. To get you home safe. Give you a fighting chance. Give them whatever they want. You feel that blade starting to push. That person's trying to stab you. One last thing we're going to do. If this person comes in and thrusts at me from here, a simple attack. He's just going to attack me. He just comes up on me, grabs me, pulls me and strikes. What am I doing? Nothing. I'm doing the exact same thing and I'll slow it down. He comes up in here. All I'm going to do is move. Strike him. That's it. No different. Kick him, break him, come through, break that elbow. The techniques work. My proof that these techniques work is I've been doing this for 58 years. It's going on 59 years soon. I train 365 days a year. I teach roughly 6 days a week without even blinking an eye. My students throughout the years, only a handful of them, thank God, have had to use these techniques to defend themselves in the street. I've used them. I've done security work my entire life. Everything from bouncing in a bar to doing private personal security. Somebody asked me about stories. Oh, tell us one of the stories when a guy attacked you. Here's a story for you. Somebody came to class. They learned how to defend themselves, and they went home safe. I'm not here to blow my head up and show my stories, share my stories about all these terrible things that happened in my life. That's not what we hear about. It's not a good thing to hurt someone. That's not what we hear about. We're here to get you home safely. That's all I care about. I'm going to give you the fighting chance. Please, like, share, subscribe. Let's get the word out. Questions, hit me up. I got a whole bunch of questions that have been hit up on me. I still got to post all those videos. I'm trying to make them as detailed as I possibly can. It takes a minute to do. So please have patience with your questions, but I will answer everyone's question. I've said this a million times. You believe in me because you come back and watch my videos. You want to learn. I believe in you. I know that you want this. I want you to believe in yourself just a little bit, each and every day, just a little bit more. Because you, my students out there, you can create magic. On behalf of San-Ryu and myself, Bill, come back in here for a second. Bill and I had a really good hard class today. Bill, thank you for all your help. I truly appreciate it. Don't be late for class. Peace!